Hey tech enthusiasts, welcome back to the channel. Today we're exploring something truly awesome in the world of technology. I'm super excited to share with you my in-depth review of the Dremel DigiLab 3D45 EDU 3D printer bundle, a game changer for professionals, small businesses, and especially educators. This incredible device has won the 2022 Editor's Choice Award for Best 3D Printer for Professionals and Small Businesses from PCMag.com, and it's also a Google for Education partner. So, let's dive in and see what makes it so special. First, let's talk about how this 3D printer is designed specifically with teachers in mind. The Dremel 3D45 EDU 3D printer kit comes with 30 ready-to-implement, standards-aligned lesson plans for students from 3rd to 12th grades. This means you can introduce your students to the world of digital fabrication, teaching them to create their own models and prototypes in various materials like nylon, ECO-ABS, PETG, PLA, and more, all at an impressive up to 50 micron resolution. Plus, the included self-paced professional development training course will help you master the implementation of 3D printing in the classroom, and it's valid for 4 hours of PD credits. This is a huge benefit for educators, as it not only enhances the learning experience for students, but also provides teachers with the tools and knowledge they need to effectively integrate 3D printing into their curriculum. Another key feature that really stands out is how easy this 3D printer is to use. The guided setup process is incredibly intuitive, getting you from unboxing to printing in just a few minutes. The 4.5-inch full-color touchscreen has a very user-friendly interface, allowing you to quickly navigate through different functions. Additionally, the built-in RFID reader detects the 1.75mm Dremel filament you place inside and automatically chooses the best print settings for you. This level of automation makes it accessible to users of all skill levels, whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out with 3D printing. The ease of use combined with its robust features makes it an ideal choice for both professionals and educators looking to bring 3D printing into their workflows or classrooms. Now let's delve into some of the top-rated features of the Dremel DigiLab 3D45 EDU. One of the most impressive features is the automated 9-point leveling sensor. This sensor detects any variation in the print bed and automatically adjusts for it, leading to more successful prints. This feature is a game changer for achieving high-quality prints consistently, without the hassle of manual adjustments. Furthermore, the built-in HD camera allows for remote print monitoring from any computer or mobile device, giving you the flexibility to keep an eye on your prints from anywhere. The complete 3D printer enclosure, made of ultra-durable plastic, provides a safe and stable environment for printing, with a build volume of 6.7 inches by 10 inches by 6 inches. These features, among others, contribute to why the Dremel DigiLab 3D45 EDU stands out as a top choice for those looking for a reliable and high-performance 3D printing solution. The bundle also includes the DigiLab PLA-BLA 01 3D printer filament, which boasts a new material formulation tested for improved print quality, reliability, and longer filament shelf life. This means you can achieve better results with your prints and enjoy a more consistent printing experience. The filament comes in a 0.75 kilogram spool with a 1.75mm diameter and is available in black, offering a versatile and durable printing material for your projects. In conclusion, the Dremel DigiLab 3D45 EDU 3D printer bundle is an exceptional choice for anyone looking to elevate their 3D printing experience. Whether you're an educator seeking to enhance your curriculum, a professional aiming to integrate 3D printing into your workflow, or simply an enthusiast looking for a high-quality 3D printing solution, this bundle has something to offer. With its ease of use, top-rated features, and educational resources, it's a complete package that can help you unlock the full potential of 3D printing. So, if you're as excited about this as I am, be sure to find the link in the description below to get your hands on the Dremel DigiLab 3D45 EDU 3D printer bundle. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your approach to 3D printing. Thanks for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in the next video.